Inverted flat spin tutorial Japanese pilot. Take off. Climb to a high altitude. Push the elevator for a vertical dive. First apply left aileron to enter a roll, then simultaneously add rudder, push and right rudder to enter a flat spin. Once in the spin, immediately reduce the aileron slightly. During the flat spin, adjust throttle and aileron input according to wing attitude and descent speed. Reverse aileron input may be needed. For this maneuver, it's recommended to start with full stick inputs, then gradually ease off as the aircraft loses altitude to facilitate recovery. To recover, center the rudder and apply throttle to pull the aircraft out while inverted. Thanks for watching.